Breaking news in the world of AI. OpenAI just dropped a game changer. You've heard of ChatGPT, right? Well, now you can call it directly on your phone. That's right, 1-800-CHAT-GPT is officially live. Let's talk about what this means. For starters, US users get 15 minutes of free access every month just by dialing the number. Don't live in the US? No problem. Anyone worldwide can message the same service through WhatsApp. It's simple, accessible, and let's face it, a lot cooler than your average app experience. This move is part of OpenAI's bold strategy to make AI tools easier to use for everyone. From rolling out video generation tools like Sora to integrating search capabilities into ChatGPT, they've been on fire lately. And now they're even exploring ways to link your ChatGPT account with WhatsApp, so you can carry your AI conversations anywhere. With a valuation of $157 billion and billions in liquidity, OpenAI is making it crystal clear. They're here to dominate. Whether it's taking on tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Meta, or battling up-and-comers like Elon Musk's xAI, they're not slowing down. So why should you care? Because AI isn't just the future, it's here. Tools like this are shaping how we work, learn, and connect. Want to test it out? Pick up your phone, dial 1-800-CHAT-GPT, and see what the hype is about. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on tech that's changing the game.